Study technology really helps me because it just tells you the steps and everything, how to get it done, and if somebody says this, you can do this, so it makes you really feel like you can do it.
Before the Study technology, I would blank out when I would read a book, and I would come across a word and I didn't know it. Like throughout the whole page, I'll blank out and what did I read? But now through the Study technology, it gives you all these tools so you're able to do it on your own.
So psychiatrists, well, they told me I was dyslexic. And I went down to Applied Scholastics, and in 2 or 3 weeks, they had me reading perfectly. And I was able to go back to school and show off what I learned.
It helped me a lot in school. I was like, the grades were really down, and when I came here, they were like, poof, they went up.
I couldn't believe it before I go home one day and I wanted to do my schoolwork. And I was amazed. And so I've been loving to do my schoolwork ever since, and I've caught up.
I actually got what I was learning. I actually fully understood it and could go and apply it, instead of just be like, okay, I took the test and passed it.
And it completely works. It's like, that's the only reason why I continue to get straight is it's not necessarily I already know everything we're doing. It's just that I know how to learn and I know how to study.
My daughter, who's 11, who's been raised with study tech since I know it, I mean, some of the things she studies, I'm impressed at 11. She's learning about these things and she's using the tools and having no problem, Or if she does have a problem, she knows how to handle it.
We did homework. I asked her, do you know what that word means? And she'll say, no, ma'am, I don't. I said, let's get the dictionary and find out what that word means. And once she understood what that word means, it even opened her eyes even more on the learning technique of what she was doing.
My oldest son, I saw a light go off in him, and I hadn't seen that light in a while, okay? He was eager to come. He enjoyed coming. He began to use the dictionary, looking up words.
Her math, it totally turned around. It was one of her least liked subjects. And when she was done with a full year of study tech doing math, it was one of her favorite subjects.
He duplicates and understands and picks up things so quickly, and he's totally there and he's totally attentive and very keen on what he's doing. And you can't get this kid to stop writing. You can't get him to stop reading.
They want to study, they want to read the next book. They don't just read the book because they're pressured to read it. I mean, it's like, wow, I achieved this goal and I could read this level and now I could read the next one.
As a mother, you have your child's education firmly in hand. You don't have to worry and think, oh, well, I don't know this, or the teacher said that and I don't understand this. Something can be done about the problems in the field of education when the parents know study technology.